June 2022, correct?
Which register?
The entire voters register. It had been frozen, correct?
For which constituency?
The entire voters register. All registers had been frozen as at 22nd of June 2022. If you don't know,
Yes,
then
yes.
Okay. Were you aware of that decision of freezing the register? Were you aware that the register had been frozen?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
But nevertheless, you still went to alter the register, correct? With that knowledge, you went on, with that knowledge, wait for the question, you went on to alter the register, correct?
No, after...
Correct or not correct? I don't want an explanation.
Just give me time.
Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness? Number two, did you have the authority of the commission to alter the register?
Okay, you are not deducting from the
Yes.
other time. Okay.
Yes. Did you have the authority of the commission to alter the register? That requires a yes or a no answer. Don't waste my time, Mr. Witness. Did you have the authority of the commission to alter the register?
Yes.
Do you have that authority before the court? Do you not?
Since I am an assistant
Did you have the
registration
authority?
officer,
I'm not asking your
I can
designation.
register.
I'm asking, did you have the authority of the register to alter, the commission to alter the register? Yes or no?
No.
Number two, when you altered this register, did you notify the commission? Did you not?
I didn't.
Yes, I can hear what you're saying.
Can you repeat the question?
When you altered this register in registering Collins and purportedly registering him, did you notify the commission of that occurrence?
Yes, I informed the ICT department.
I'm not asking the ICT, the commission. Do you understand who is the commission?
I haven't informed them.
Do you understand who is the commission?
Yes.
Did you inform the commission?
No.
Did the commission make the decision and give you the authority to register?
No.
Yes?
No.
So whatever you did was done without the sanction of the commission, correct? Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness? Mr. Witness, do you know that whatever you did amounts to an offense?
Permission.
Yes.
Mr. Njiro is introducing a term that we've not had, the registration of a voter. I don't know if he got that from.
Registration of a voter.
Deregistration. Perhaps
No, I think he asked a question whether he can deregister.
Yes, and he said that it was deregistered. That is what you said in your evidence, Mr. Witness, correct?
No, it is not.
When you informed the ICT person, what happened?
Counsel, he said they flagged.
He flagged.
Yes.
Not deregistered.
Okay, that does not amount to deregistration,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Okay. But the final question I want to put to you, do you know that whatever you did amounts to an election offense? Section 3 of the election offenses says a person who without authority makes any change. Mr. Witness,
Yes.
you confirm that you also detailed Collins' information on the Kim's kit, correct?
Yes.
Was the Kim's kit, did you also flag the Kim's kit?
Yes.
How did you flag the Kim's kit?
I send the serial number.
Yes?
I use the open key, Kim's kit.
I'm asking, how did you flag it?
I just tell him that I'm using the open kit.
Whatever Kim's kit you used, was that data synchronized in the entire Kim's kit system?
Yes.
Okay, no further questions.
Just one question.
Okay.
Kariuki Njiri for the petition. Can you confirm that as an assistant registration officer for IEBC, you can access even a frozen register?
No.
How were you able to access this one if it was you could not access?
This one, I register him during the continuous voter registration.
And you understand that it had been frozen because this region, that's Mbeere North, had a by-election. Is that true?
Yes, it is true.
So, can you confirm, since you are able to access, any other clerk of your level can access that register even when frozen? Is that true?
Yes, it is true.
Thank you.
Judge, one more question. Please confirm in your affidavit, Kiroko Ndegwa, in your affidavit, you've not mentioned anywhere the KIMS kit you used to register the call-ins. Have you?
Yes, I have indicated they are open.
Just speak up, please. Just speak up.
Have you please point us at the paragraph?
Paragraph 2. Through the open KIMS kit.
What have you named the serial number? Have you listed the serial number?
No.
Please also confirm that after you registered these call-ins, you did not gazette. Those changes were never gazetted. It's a yes or no?
No.
Very well.
Judge, I had one question, Judge, if you may allow me.
It's okay, you can go for now. Just keep the deduction clear.
Witness, whatever you did to that register, did it change its character and legal status? Whatever you did to the register,
Yes.
did it change its original character? Did it not?
No.
Sorry? You added a name, correct?
Yes.
So it changed its original character from what it was on the 22nd of June 2025, correct? 2022, correct?
Yes.
And it equally affected the integrity of that register, correct? Correct or not correct, witness?
It is correct. But
Thank
it's
you.
already fled
Thank you.
out.
Any more cross? We?
I want us to start with a question my learned friend Mbeere Jim, who asks you whether you are aware the voters register was frozen. Was the voters register frozen for the entire country as at the time you are doing this registration exercise?
There's a continuous voter registration.
Please try to speak up.
There's a continuous voter registration ongoing at that time.
Is the freezing of the voters register with regard, is it with regard to the entire voters registration in the country or just with regard to the areas where they are pending by elections?
Areas with this by-election
Please
areas.
speak up.
It is only with the areas of by-election areas.
Only areas of election. As a registration officer, is the KIMS gadget you are using for the registration the same one as the KIMS gadget being used for the polling exercise, voting? Is it the same one?
Yes, it is the same.
It is the same one.
Yes.
Why do you call it in your affidavit an open KIMS kit?
Because in an office we have 3 kits. The open kit is marked for all the 47 counties and 290 constituencies. Specifically, we can register anywhere in Kenya.
Let me get you
I'm
right.
not sure I'm following. You refer to it as an open KIMS because of?
Because the open kit can register to 47 county to 290 constituency all over the Kenya.
Is it the case that if somebody from Manyata, this court is sitting in an area called the Manyata constituency, which covers Embu town. If somebody from Manyata came to Ruiru to register themselves, would you be able to register them?
Yes.
Very well.
Are you able to deregister? Are you able to deregister voters yourself
No.
as a registrar?
No.
Did you deregister any voter?
No.
Did you deregister Collins Munene?
No.
Do you gazette the voters register?
No.
When you say that after you have discovered the mistake, you reported to the ICT who flagged Collins Munene, what do you mean by this flagging, that he was flagged?
So that he will not vote in the
Sorry,
by-election.
speak up.
So that he will not vote in the by-election in Mbeere constituency.
When you are doing the registration as an assistant registration officer, are you acting with the authority of the first respondent, the IBC? Are you acting with authority?
Yes.
So if you are acting with authority, are you in breach of Section 33 of the Elections Act, as has been put to you by my learned friend, Mr. Ndegwa? Jiro?
Which says?
Which says that anybody who acts without authority, blah, 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 then it goes on. Have you acted without authority? Have you acted without authority of the IBC?
Yes.
Have you acted without authority of the IBC?
No.
It doesn't matter. It's
No.
a question of law in any event.
Yes, yeah.
So it doesn't matter. what
Very
it
well,
says.
my lord. Very well.
You can
very
say yes, no, the
Yeah.
other tomorrow. It's a question of law.
Yes, my lord. That is all for this witness, my lord.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry, can you just recall him? I think I need to understand that open. Just recall him before he sits down. I need to understand this open kit. Open kit. What is this open kit?
Open kit is a KIMS kit that will mapped for all 47 counties and 290 constituencies.
What's the difference between it, if any, and the
There's a
KIMS kit at the register at the polling station?
there's a office kit and an open kit. Office kit is only for constituency within the constituencies, but open kit we can register for 290 constituencies.
And the office kit is only for?
Within the constituencies.
Okay. Does anything arise from that?
Yes, my lord, only one question. When you say that the open kit is for the 290 constituencies, that means any person from whichever 200 constituencies would register and subsequently affect the voters register, correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
One more. Please confirm that you are not the only one who had an open kit.
Every constituency has an open kit.
Sorry?
Every constituency has one open kit.
You don't need to re-examine it.
Okay. No.
All right. Thank you very much.
Nzuri.
Tutumie lugha gani?
English is okay.
English.
Yes.
A Christian or a Muslim?
Christian.
Christian. Keep the Bible right in front of you. Read using your right hand and repeat after me. I swear by the name of the Almighty God.
I swear by the name of
What
the
did you ask
Almighty.
him to do?
To read the Bible, but yes, place this hand.
Right. Okay.
Right, that's it.
I swear by the name of the Almighty God.
I swear by the name of the Almighty God
The evidence I shall give before this court
that the evidence that I shall give before this court
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
nothing but the truth.
nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God. Please tell the court your name. Please stand with the mic. Just some better. Please tell the court your name. My name is Paul Washanga Mugo. What do you do for a living, Paul? I am an employee of the IEBC. You work at the IEBC as who? My work at IBC, I'm an ICT officer in the ICT department. Could you tell the court some of your duties as an ICT officer at the IBC? Part of what I do is the preparation of the KIMS kit for any activity that the commission has. For example, a by-election, registration, general election. How do you prepare the KIMS kit in relation to by-elections? Once the gazettement is done, we look at the number of polling stations in that place. Then we prepare the number of kits that they are going to use in that by-election. Now, regarding the matter before the court, do you remember that you made an affidavit with the advocate representing the IBC? Yes, I did. Please look at the date of this affidavit, the date when it is sworn. On the 21st day of January, 2026. 2026. Do you wish to produce this affidavit as your evidence in this matter? Yes, I do. My lord, the witness can be cross-examined. Cross-examination.
Good morning, Mr. Mogo.
Good morning.
My name is Gachuba for the fourth respondent.
Gachuba?
For the fourth respondent.
Okay.
Just a few questions. He's called Leo Wamuthende, the fourth respondent. Confirm that one Collins Munene Muriuki was registered as a voter in October 2025.
Yes, he was, after I was informed.
Who informed you about this registration?
Did you say 8th October or just October?
It was that was on 8th October 2025?
Yes.
So who informed you about this registration?
The assistant registration officer.
You know his name?
I call him Abdi, nickname.
Abdi.
Yes.
Is he the officer who's just left the dock?
Yes.
All right. So when you're informed about the stray registration, if that's a correct word, what did you do about that stray registration?
Once he informed me,
Yes.
we were able to check in the system and flag it out.
What does flagging out mean?
Flagging out a record means the system shows you that there's a new entry into the register of voters.
Okay.
Yes.
So what did you do after that notification?
After that, I had a meeting with my boss on the same to tell him
Mention
of
your name, your boss's name.
his name is Michael.
Michael.
Oma. He's the director.
Sorry, Council, please. I'm struggling with the sound outside, with your sound and with him. Trying to hear. Yeah.
So you say your boss is who?
Michael Oma is the director of ICT.
Director of ICT.
Yes.
Where is he
Michael
based?
Michael Oma. Yes.
Where is he based?
In headquarters, Nairobi.
Nairobi.
Yes.
All right. So what did you agree?
Once we had a discussion,
Yes.
the record has already gone in.
Okay.
Yes. So the only thing the system does is flag it out because you can't remove that record.
Okay.
Yes.
So the system automatically flags out the name
Yes.
automatically.
Automatically.
Aha. So what you're saying is that once you have suspended registration in a certain constituency, the system is configured in such a way that it automatically blocks any additions to that register.
If there's a by-election,
Yes.
and because in a by-election, there's registration that is going on
Yes.
in the register of voters.
Yes.
So in that place, it doesn't stop the record from coming in because it's not coming from the place that you have the by-election, but it's coming from a different place.
All right.
Yes, so it flags out that record.
All right.
Yes.
So, but the question is, it automatically blocks the new registrant from voting.
It basically just flags
There was
out.
an objection. Council is giving leading questions.
Okay, don't lead, Council.
I don't understand what leading
Yeah,
means.
just don't lead. Don't give him a question that suggests a possible answer.
I think he forgot I'm doing cross. So, but
Actually, he can lead.
yes,
He can do whatever he likes.
yes. So
I'm forgetting.
doing
I thought
cross.
this is your witness. He is not.
Yeah, he
This is
forgot I'm
the
doing
this is
cross.
the witness of the
Yes.
of the fast.
Yes. So the question is, does the system automatically block the new registrant from voting, or does it require human intervention?
The system is automatic,
It's automatic.
so it flags out that record.
All right.
Yes.
So what you're saying, therefore, is that it did not matter how many people are registered as voters in Mbeere North, the system would block them automatically.
Yes, the system would flag them out.
So that come the election day, the KIMS kit would not pick them as voters for that election.
Because there is preparation of the KIMS kit,
Yes,
which has the soft copy of the register.
yes,
So on that,
yes.
once the system flags them out, they'll still be into the KIMS kit, but it flags them out.
So that they cannot vote.
Yes, and also the person who, holding the KIMS kit
Yes.
will be able to know.
All right.
Yes, if that person comes, then the system will tell them this person.
What does the system? Does it speak when you say once it flags out the person? Does the system have a voice, something activation? What does it do?
Not really. It produces a sound, and also it shows on the record of that person.
Okay. So then, as you stand there, you can confirm to this court that Collins Monene did not vote on the 27th of November 2025.
I wasn't there in the polling station,
Yes.
so I don't know if he voted or not.
Okay.
But the system flagged him out.
Could not allow him to vote.
Yes.
All right. That is all.
Yes.
Karaoke Njiri for the petition. I'll ask you a few questions. You said you are, what's your position at the IEPC?
I'm an ICT officer.
ICT officer. Have you annexed anything before this court to show that you're an ICT officer with IEPC?
I worked there, but I did
Have
not.
you annexed an appointment letter? It's either yes or no.
No.
Okay. Now, you have told this court that Collins, you were informed by the assistant registration officer at Ruiru that he had registered Collins Munene,
Yes.
who ought not to have been registered. That's true.
Yes.
Now, in your affidavit, and so can show him that affidavit. Do you remember indicating that the information was from the ICT director in Embu?
Yes, in my affidavit on.
Can you also confirm? No, that answer is okay. Can you also confirm that there is nowhere you indicated that you were informed by Ibrahim, the assistant registration clerk in Ruiru? In your affidavit, there is nowhere you have mentioned that.
No.
Good, thank you. Now, again, can you confirm as the ICT in charge in Nairobi that the system cannot prevent registration of a voter even in a frozen region?
Come again?
Can you confirm that even when you have frozen or suspended voter registration in an area because of any reason, let's say by election, an assistant clerk from anywhere in the constituency level can be able to register a voter of that region? Just like it happened in Ruiru.
Is this a yes or no question? Because we have an open kit. An open kit can register anyone in the country.
Thank you.
But
thank you. Now that this kit had picked and registered someone in an area that was frozen, did you do an audit to check before the by-election how many more people were registered within that region where there was a by-election? More specifically in Mbeere North, did you do an audit yourself?
No, we did not.
You did not do an audit. So, as you stand here in court, you're not able to know how many more call-ins were registered or how many more unauthorized voters were registered within the region of Mbeere North constituency. As you stand here.
From the Kim's kit, it was just one, which is.
Don't tell us that from the KIP. You have agreed that you didn't do an audit. Is that true? You can only tell with an audit.
Yes.
So you confirm you may not know how many more unless it is pointed out to you. Is
Yes.
that true?
Yes.
Lastly, when you were informed that a voter has been registered within a region, that is in Mbeere North, was it by a memo or by a phone call?
By a phone call.
Officially, can you confirm to this court that normally the clerk who illegally register a voter, either by error or by design, must do a memo to explain?
There are formal communications in the commission.
In this case of Collins.
And also a phone call is part of communication.
Yes. In this case of Collins, did you receive a memo or an email?
No.
Explaining?
No.
Yourself as the in charge, did you take any action to either communicate to your seniors of that error?
Yes.
Was it by an official memo or an email?
We had a meeting.
You had a meeting?
Yes.
Have you annexed the memo, the minutes of that meeting?
No.
Before court for the benefit?
No.
So we may not even tell whether you had such a meeting.
We had such a meeting.
Mr. Witness, from your affidavit, I put it across to you. You people only came, the IEBC came to know about Collins after it was pointed out on the elections day while he went to vote.
No.
Your answer is no.
No.
Did the commission take actions in respect of that particular registration? Did the commission take actions? And when I speak about the commission, not the secretariat, the commission. Was there a decision that was taken by the commission in respect that registration that you know of?
I am not of NSCG.
You confirm that your actions and that of Ibrahim amounted to an alteration of the voters register, correct?
No.
There was no alteration.
There was.
Yes?
There was. Because there was an entry in the register.
It was an entry on the register, correct? Yes. That affected its original status, correct? Yes?
Yes.
It affected its character, correct?
Yes.
And it changed its integrity, correct?
Yes.
Correct or not correct?
Yes, correct.
And therefore, there ought to have been a decision by the commission for such an egregious and grievous action on the register, correct?
Correct.
And most especially noting that this was a gazetted election area, correct?
Correct.
No further questions.
Want to take more time? Kiragwaduta, you said who informed you about this registration?
The assistant registration officer.
Called Ibrahim.
I call him Abdi, but his name is Ibrahim.
You call him
I call him Abdi.
Abdi.
Yes.
Abdi. The person who has just testified.
Yes.
I would like you to look at your affidavit, paragraph 7. Just read paragraph 7 of your affidavit for the court to hear what you say about that information.
That I am informed by the said
The first respondent, county ICT officer in charge, Embu County, Margaret Mbeere, which information I verily believe to be true, that while reviewing the electronic voter data for Mwandu polling station, she noted a discrepancy whereby the physical register indicated a total number of 399 registered voters, while the KIMS reflected 400 voters, and the incident was duly documented in the petitioner's polling station diary, PSD.
So let us discuss that paragraph. You confirm to court it is not Ibrahim who informed you about that touch. Correct?
Ibrahim informed me
Just
earlier.
Yes, sir. Mr.
According to that, yes.
Thank you.
Ibrahim informed me earlier.
No. Just let's
Okay.
let's move slowly. You never gave us different evidence. And confirm that Margaret informed you after the election. Just read the paragraph once again, if you doubt. When did you state, do you actually, my lord, let me reform that question. Do you state when Margaret informed you about the discrepancy?
Margaret, it doesn't say when.
It doesn't say.
Yes.
But what was Margaret doing when she discovered the discrepancy? Just read here. She was reviewing the electronic data
Yes.
for motor polling station.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Was that the day that Collins was registered, as Ibrahim tells us?
No, that is not the day. Yeah. If I may say something, my lord.
You don't have that luxury.
Okay.
And I think, so, and just confirm from an ICT perspective that for using that open kit from whichever constituency office, a person will be able to move a voter, say from Manyata, here this is Manyata, to, let me pick Olkalau in Nyandarua. Is that correct?
No.
You can't move.
You can move, but not the way you're putting it.
Or you can move someone from Ruiru to Mbeere North, correct?
Yes. If you're the registration officer at Mbeere, you can do a transfer into Mbeere, but you cannot move a voter from Mbeere outside.
Ah, good. But for registration, you can register a new voter elsewhere.
Yes.
So you can pull a voter from elsewhere to where you are seated. Say, for instance, you're sitting in Ruiru, you can get a voter from Mbeere North and register them where you are in Ruiru. Is that correct?
When you say register, is a new record.
No, sorry, you transfer
Yes, you can transfer into the registration
where you are seated,
where you're stationed.
where you're stationed.
Yes.
Thank you very much. You're a good person. And did you mind to share the KIMS kit serial number that was used by Ibrahim?
I cannot remember it often.
You don't have it.
I can't
Neither is it
remember.
in your affidavit, correct?
Yes.
And allowed that to be all.
Okay, how many
Cross
minutes just is remaining in total? Is there another week? Are you doing reacts?
Yes, I am.
All right. He'll give me that information. Reacts.
Let's start here. This is to do with the transfer. How is a voter transferred from where they are registered to another polling station? The transfer process is you present yourself to where you want to vote. For example, if you are in Nakuru County and you want to vote in Mbeere, it's okay. If you're in Nakuru County and you want to vote in Mbeere, you have to present yourself to the registration officer in Mbeere for them to effect that change. So likewise, or rather, if somebody is being transferred from Mbeere to Mbeere, what is the process? They have to present themselves to Mbeere constituency returning officer. The events which you refer to in relation to Abdi, the person you call Abdi, that is ending Ibrahim Golicha, and the events in relation to Margaret Barrow, are these two different events? They are the same events. They are the same events.
Yes. Sorry, I didn't capture that.
Sorry. There were the events which you refer with regard to, or rather the communication you had with the person you call Abdi, that is ending Golicha. When did this communication occur? Is it before the election, the by-election from Mbeere North, or after? Before. Was that communication between you and Abdi, ending Golicha, in relation to registration of voters, or in relation to the voting exercise that had happened in Mbeere? It was in relation to the voting exercise that happened in Mbeere. Was it in relation to registration of voters, or in relation to the exercise going on in Mbeere? I'm talking of ending, or the person you call Abdi. It was in relation to the registration and what happened in Mbeere. What about your communication with Margaret Barrow? Is it after the elections or before the elections? It was before the election, on the eve of the election day. Now, in that paragraph which you are shown, there is an indication that there was a discrepancy. There is the register showing 399 voters and the KIMS showing 400 voters. Yes. Are you able to speak to that discrepancy? The 399 voters is the physical register that is normally provided at the polling station, which aids in opening of the KIMS kit. And the 400 is the data that we put in the KIMS kit during preparation. Yes. Are you able to tell where this additional number, so that there is a discrepancy between 399 and 400 is coming from? Are you able to tell? The 399 is from the register of voters for 2022 general election, and for the 400 there was an entry into the register, which is the data that
we put in the KIMS kit because it was done outside Mbeere North on an open kit.
The freezing of voter registration. The freezing of voter registration. How do you understand it? To what extent was that freezing done? To what extent? Was it done across the country? Or was it done just with regard to the areas with by-elections?
The freezing is normally done for the area with by-election. That is where that it's done. And in the whole country.
What about registration? Has registration of voters in the country been frozen? Is it frozen as we speak? Or even in the lead up to these by-elections?
Sorry, come again?
Was the registration of voters countrywide frozen in the lead up to this by-election from Mbeere North?
Yes, it was.
For the country?
Yes.
Was it frozen for the entire country?
It was frozen for Mbeere.
That can a registration officer be able to register anywhere across the country, irrespective of where that registration officer is sitting?
Yes, he can, or she can.
My lord, that is all with this witness.
All right. Next witness. Just please read for the petitioner their minutes so that they are aware, because they'll be eating into their time.
It's taken off 44 minutes remaining. First to third respondent, you have 1 and 5 minutes remaining. Fourth respondent, you have 42 minutes. First to third, 195.
RW7.
Yes, RW7.
English.
English. Keep the Bible. Keep it using your right hand. After me, I shall by the name of the Almighty God.
I swear by the name of the Almighty God
That the evidence I shall give before this court.
that the evidence I shall give before this court
Shall be the truth.
shall be the truth,
Nothing but the truth.
nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Please, my lord, this affidavit is in page number 334. 334. Please tell the honorable court your full name.
Paulino Nteganjeru.
Where do you come from? What do you do for a living?
I come from Mbeere North. I am a teacher.
Very well. Regarding the by-election held on 27th of November last year for Mbeere North, what role did you play? Which role did you play?
Presiding officer.
You are presiding officer for which polling station?
Kaungo Primary School.
You remember making an affidavit with the lawyers for the commission regarding this, that's the election, are you aware that an election petition was brought regarding the outcome of the Mbeere North by-election?
Yes.
Was it brought to your attention by the commission lawyers, the IBC, that your polling station was among the polling stations which have been questioned by the petitioner?
Yes.
Did you swear an affidavit giving an account of what transpired at Kaungu polling station?
Yes.
Please look at this affidavit. It's sworn when? Have a look.
12th the day of January 2026.
12th the day of January 2026. Yes. Do you wish to produce this affidavit as your evidence in this matter?
Yes.
My lord, the witness can be questioned.
It has annexures? This one has annexures.
It does, it does.
So he's producing the affidavit with annexures.
Yes. Are you producing the affidavit together with all the annexures named therein?
Yes.
Thank you, my lord.
Cross.
Good morning, Jeff.
Morning.
My name is Gachuba. I'm for the fourth respondent, Leo Wamuthende. You are the presiding officer at Kaungu.
Yes.
Now, there are allegations that voting or the election exercise at Kaungu was affected by violence. Is that correct?
Yes.
Well, yes, to the that there is an allegation of there was violence.
Yeah.
The question is a bit broad.
Yeah, there was
violence.
There was violence.
Was that violence within a polling station? You're in polling station number?
1 of 1.
1 of 1.
Yes.
Was that violence in the polling station?
No, outside.
Outside the polling
Yeah.
station.
Yeah.
Did you witness that violence yourself?
Yes.
All right. From a distance or
From a distance.
from a distance? So how did it affect the election exercise?
Okay. There was some violence, but especially outside the station, they started throwing stones.
Okay.
The people, then they broke the windows. Then we had to suspend the voting for some period,
All right.
which is recorded in the PSD.
All right. So they threw stones towards your station
Yeah.
from outside.
Yes.
So you stopped the voting exercise for how long?
For about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. How did you recover the 30 minutes that you had lost?
We closed at 5:30.
5:30. So what time did you suspend the voting exercise? What time was it?
Okay. That time I can't remember well, but I know it was around.
Sorry, speak up, please. I'm struggling with other noises outside.
Okay. I can't exactly remember the time, although I've recorded in the PSD,
Yes.
but I know it was during lunch hour, but it is in the PSD the exact time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So around lunch hour.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that there were people in the queue when the stones were being thrown towards the station.
It was only one voter
There was only one voter in the queue.
who we allowed to vote,
Yes.
and then we sealed.
But when
Has he answered the question you asked?
the question was, were there people in the queue when the stones were being thrown towards your station?
One person.
Only one person.
There was only one person in the queue.
And that person voted before you closed?
Yes.
when you reopened the polling station and resumed the election exercise, did voters come in to vote?
Yes.
Would you recall, for example, from the time you reopened, what's the number that came up to 5:30? Would you recall the number?
I can't recall,
Yes.
but what I know, there was a timely SMS we were doing,
Okay.
so I can't recall how many voted after that. But I know
Was it half of the number that voted, or more than half of the number that voted?
it was less than the half.
Less than the half. But voters continued to come to the station,
Yes.
and they continued to vote until 5:30.
Yes.
All right. There's someone who came here and he said that he was shot. Are you aware of that incident?
Not aware.
You're not aware. And you didn't tell who was causing the chaos or the violence. Would you tell?
Okay, I can't really tell who.
Yes.
Because it was a group of people.
All right.
Yeah.
There was a mention of the governor of Embu County, the MP for Runyenjes. Did you see them in your station?
Personally, I did not see.
You did not see them.
But I know there was a crowd outside.
Outside.
Yeah.
All right. That is all. The witness.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Witness, my name is Kariuki Jiri. I'll ask you a few questions. Kindly answer. First question is, can you confirm to this court that in your affidavit, paragraph 9, you confirmed there was a shooting incident?
There were gunshots.
There were gunshots, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, can you also confirm to this court that in your PSD, that is the police station diary, you captured that locals and some politicians disrupted the polling process?
Yes.
Now, when you talk of politicians, can you give us the names? And be very honest.
No.
So how did you know they were politicians?
Because I know
You
they
will
were.
not be victimized. You are before a court of law.
Yes.
And you have sworn to tell the truth.
Yeah.
Give us the names.
No, they never. I did not see the politicians. I just saw a crowd of people.
So you wrote politicians whom you did not see.
Yeah, because they were shouting.
So you know the voice of politicians.
No,
Why are you being dishonest?
I'm honest.
Give us the names.
I did not know their names.
Now, can you also confirm that those politicians and the locals, the so-called locals, affected the polling station by stoning the classroom where the polling station was?
Yes.
And you confirm as captured in your PSD, you had to stop the polling for about 30 minutes.
Yes.
We are informed that the shooting incident was at around noon. Is that true? Exactly noon?
No.
What time was it?
Because when violence broke, it was about. I know it is about. It was past noon.
It was past noon.
Yes.
Can you also confirm that in the afternoon, the volume of voters, the number of voters reduced? Just as you've been asked by council. You confirm that the number of voters reduced after you reopened.
Yes.
Thank you.
Any further questions?
Yes, my lord. Karudhui for the petitioner. We've already set up a video. Mr. Witness, would like to play for you a clip for just a few minutes.
Just do the normal introduction.
NNK 23. NNK 14, my lord.
NMK?
14 in our documents. Just play. Just pause. Mr. Witness, do you confirm that that is within Kaungu polling center?
It was in the field.
No. Are those buildings of the polling center where you are?
Yes.
The vehicles are next to the buildings, isn't it? No, just look at the video. And you know you swore to tell the truth?
Yes.
And you swore an affidavit and oath?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Is that within the polling center?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes?
Yes.
It's within the polling center. And those people who are shouting are within the polling station, right?
The polling station?
Polling center, sorry. Zoom. Wow. We can all see. I can see. You should be seeing. Is it within or not within? That the people who are shouting are also within.
Maybe he needs to hear the shouting.
Okay, let's.
My lord, just pause. My lord, I think we may need to know what to do because Learned Counsel, Mr. Karudhui, has told the witness that he must see. I don't know whether a witness can be forced to see that which is not visible.
At least we are not told that he's blind. He would have made braille or something like that. But he can even read his documents. He would have stated that in his documents that he's blind. He needs assistance of braille.
No. Let him answer the question. Let him answer the question. Ask the question. Let him answer. If he is silent, is when I'll interject.
So can you
just ask him the questions? However he answers is up to him.
Yes. You can, now you have seen the shouting I was talking about.
Yes.
And we agree that's within the compound.
It is within the school compound.
It's within the school compound.
Yeah.
So is it within 400 meters of the polling center? Is it not? 400 meters is like from here to just after the gate to these locals. Is it within the 400 meters?
Yes.
Now, you stated in your the PST in the diary that some politician and locals caused commotion and the windows were broken. That is information you saw or you heard?
I saw.
You saw.
Yeah.
So who broke the windows? Is it the politicians or the locals?
They were mixed.
So the politicians and the locals broke the windows. Yes, or is it the politicians? You said it were mixed. So it's the politicians and the locals mixed who broke the windows.
The windows were broken by people outside.
But you saw.
Yeah.
And for you to write some politicians, you saw some politicians. Remember you've just stated that you saw. So you saw some politicians. You saw.
Okay.
So can you call me a politician?
No.
So to say some politicians, you saw a politician. So that is what my colleague is asking you. And Mr. Witness, just tell the court the truth. Which politicians? Because you have already said that you saw. Which politicians?
It was these vehicles which were on your video clip. These ones.
The vehicles are not politicians. We are talking about some politicians, Mr. Witness, and you have already stated that you saw. So we are on the last step of your answer.
Yes.
So just say which politicians. Just tell the court, Mr. Witness.
I can't confirm them.
You cannot confirm
I
them.
can't because I did not see them well.
So
because
you called people you don't know politicians.
or I know they were with politicians.
And windows were broken.
Yes.
And there was shouting and chaos.
Yes.
So can you describe the elections at Kaungu as violent or as non-violent?
Non-violent.
No, Mr. Witness, you've stated that there was is breaking of windows violence?
Yes.
Are gunshots violence?
Yes.
Did people run? Did people run? Yeah.
Within the polling station, there were no.
Did you seal the box because of the violence?
Yes.
So, can you describe the elections as violent or non-violent? From your own description.
Non-violent.
So, the throwing of the stones and the gunshots are not violent, according to you. Are they violence? Because it's English here. Is shooting violence?
Yes.
So, were the elections violent or non-violent?
The bigger part non-violent.
Did you call for backup?
Yes.
Why did you call for backup?
To chase the vehicles away.
Because of
Disruption.
violence or lack of violence?
Disruption of polling process.
Disruption.
Yes.
In a violent or non-violent way? Is the word violence scaring you, Mr. Witness?
Question has been answered. That question.
Mr. Mungela.
It's okay. Let it proceed. It's doing cross-examination.
In a violent or non-violent way?
Just so long as it doesn't stand on the table.
In a violent or non-violent way?
It was not really violent.
It was not in any violence.
Yes.
Mr. Witness,
Yes.
confirm that when this violence broke out, you secured the ballot paper, the ballot box, correct?
Yes.
And that you serialized the manner in which you secured the ballot.
Yes.
And that you recorded this serialization in the polls days diary.
Yes.
And that you now have the polls day diary before the court, yes? Lead us to the page. Mr. Waduta, please indicate the page.
Page 341.
Page 341. Kindly, Mr. Witness, confirm and read to us the time of the occurrence of the incidents from the polls day diary.
13:45 hours.
13:45
Yes.
hours.
Yes.
From the same, go to your polls day diary and at 14:35 hours, show us the serial number, the serials that you deployed on the ballot box. You got the polls day diary there with you?
Yes.
Please show us. At that time, you deployed the serials. Sorry, the seals.
Yes.
Please show us.
It's not recorded here.
You've never recorded that.
It
Did
is
you
rec-
record those details in your affidavit?
Repeat.
The serialization of the ballot box at that particular time, did you record it? Did you indicate it in your affidavit? If yes, please show us.
No.
So, Mr. Witness, you are vowed to tell lies and to lie to this court, correct? And you know that you're committing an offense of perjury, correct?
No.
And that is why you cannot identify the politicians who came with that vehicle, yes? Because you are lying.
No.
Yes?
No.
You are a liar and a serial liar.
No.
Yes?
No.
So you never secured those ballot boxes.
They were secured.
When you secured, did you secure the aperture?
Yes.
And I'm assuming that you reopened that aperture for the continuation of the polls, correct?
Yes.
And therefore you also serialized or that detailed that event of opening the aperture, correct?
Yes.
Were those incidences witnessed by the agents present in that polling station?
Yes.
Did they also indicate it in the polls day diary? That they confirm you sealing and opening the aperture? Did they not?
Repeat.
Did the agents present in your polling station witness you sealing the ballot box?
Yes.
And they confirmed through appending their signatures, correct? Correct or not correct?
Clarification, my lord. Have the ballots been sealed? Let it come out clearly. Have the ballot box been sealed?
He said he sealed the box of the aperture.
I'm now asking whether the sealing, when you are sealing,
make clarifications.
when you are sealing, whether that aspect was witnessed by the agents.
Yes.
And therefore, they witnessed it by appending their signatures to that incident, correct? Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness? Don't waste our time.
Correct.
And therefore, you detailed those in the PSD, correct or not correct?
Correct.
And therefore, you have that PSD before this court this morning, yes?
Just part of it.
Please point us to that aspect in the PSD, where the witnesses, the agents are witnessing. You don't have it, Mr. Witness, correct? Don't waste our time, yes? You
It
don't
is.
have it before the court, correct?
It is in the PSD with the commission.
Before the court, you don't have it, correct?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Do I remind you that you are a liar and a serial liar and a pathological one? Do you want me to remind you?
No.
Where is the lie, my lord? I object. Where is the lie? Let him point out the lie, then you follow it through with that insult.
I think the rules have been set. Mr. Mogela can just continue with the re-examination.
Is there further cross-examination?
None.
Maybe just one. Please confirm of all the people listed as agent, none of them was identified either as a politician. None of the agents in your polling station diary is a politician or the politicians you are talking about.
Yes, none.
Very well.
None of the who? Agents.
None of the agents in the PSD.
Re-examination?
My lord, I can see they are still at it. Well, he has gone out. Okay.
They're preparing. Okay. Re-ex.
Please confirm how many times the ballot box for Kaungu was sealed. How many times? Because yes, how many times?
The ballot box was only sealed when we finished. The aperture is the one that was sealed when we stopped.
How many times?
Was sealed when?
When we stopped the voting, that is when we sealed the aperture. Then we sealed it after finishing the polling.
So how many times was the aperture sealed?
Twice.
So that was when you suspended and then when you closed.
Yes.
How long was the suspension of the voting?
My lord, I'm sorry to interrupt, but I think I'm seeing the witness is looking at the notes, he's underlining. There's just a problem with
These are my
proximity.
notes, my lord, to
But it's okay,
re-examine.
he can ask questions where the
He can
witness
come
cannot
and stand
look at
next
it.
to me if he wishes. My
I
lord.
don't believe
These
I'm
are
being-
my notes. These are not the witness
Just
notes.
for
Mongela,
good order,
maybe
so we
if
don't
you
lose
could
too much
allow
time.
me.
Just stand up, like a couple of centimeters away from one another.
Yes.
Yeah, the centimeters give us a bit of comfort.
Yes. How long was the suspension of the voting after the disruption? How long was that suspension?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Was any action taken, or did you take any action compensate or regarding this 30 minutes lost?
Yes, I added 30 minutes from 5 when we are supposed to close.
So when did you close the station?
At 5:30.
You have been shown the video which you have looked at.
Yes.
In that video, have you seen any violence in that video which you have been shown?
No.
What have you seen in that video?
Just people shouting, getting in.
What are they shouting at?
I think at their vehicle entering.
The vehicle entering. Does that vehicle remain in that station from that video, or does it exit the station after the shouting?
There was a backup that was sent to come and remove the vehicle from from the school field.
Police backup.
Yes.
Who sent the police backup to inject the vehicle which was into the polling station?
Okay, before sealing the aperture.
Who sent the backup?
The RAO.
The returning officer.
Yes.
How did the returning officer know, or was he at that polling station?
Through a phone call.
The phone call is from who?
From me, the presiding officer.
Did you know whose vehicle it is that was being injected from the polling station?
No, I did not go to check.
You did not know whose vehicle it was?
No.
Did you hear or witness any gunshots on that day?
There were loud sounds, which...
Did you hear or witness?
I heard them.
You heard?
Yes.
From what you heard, was this noise of sound coming from the polling station or outside the polling station?
Mostly outside, near the gate.
Was it inside or outside the station?
Outside.
Did you see anyone shot?
No.
I want us to just have a look at the results. Just the results. This is Kaungu, right? This is a polling station?
One of one.
One of one. I want you to have a look at the number of registered voters in that station. How many were they? How many were the number of registered voters? Yes?
What pages?
My lord, this is page number 65. How many were the registered voters?
647.
647. Number of valid votes cast that day?
392.
392. That is it, my lord. That's all.
Next witness. Just read the times again so that we are clear. Next witness.
For the petitioners, you have 29 minutes remaining. First, third respondent, you have 103 minutes. Fourth respondent, 27. You are discharged.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, I'm so sorry. You may sit down. Sorry?
Repeat after me. I swear by the name of the Almighty God.
I swear by the name of the mighty God
That the evidence I shall give before this court.
that the evidence I shall give before this court
Shall be the truth.
shall be the truth,
Nothing but the truth.
nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
All right.
Notice affidavit is in page number 396. Please tell the court your name.
My name is Wilson Mugedinjero.
Wilson, what do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
396, my lord.
Yes.
You are a teacher.
Yes.
For the purposes of the by-election held in Mbeere North on 27th November 2025, what role did you play?
I was the presiding officer for Oshonoke Health Center, Station 2 of 2.
Are you aware that the outcome of that by-election was challenged by the person who was number 2 in the outcome, called Newton Kariuki Dwega?
Yes, I'm aware.
Sorry. Now, have you sworn an affidavit on behalf of the commission, IBC, explaining the circumstances of the election at your polling station at Mushonoke?
Yes.
Please have a look at this affidavit. This affidavit is sworn on which date?
On 17th February 2026.
And it is sworn by you?
Yes.
And this affidavit has annexures. You have put some annexures to this affidavit.
Yes.
And you want to produce the affidavit and the annexures as your evidence in this matter today.
Yes.
My lord, the witness can be cross-examined.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Gachuba. I appear for the fourth respondent, Leo Zende. A few questions for you. There's a witness, petitioner's witness.
Yes.
Who came to this court and informed the court that you did not have a printed register of voters. Is that true?
That's not true.
So you confirm that you had a printed register of voters?
Yes.
She also made other allegations. One being that there are some voters who came to the station and that the Kim's kid could not recognize them and they were turned away. Are you aware of such voters who were turned away because of the Kim's kid?
No.
How about the voters that were said to be registered in Mbeere or Mbeere that came to your station to vote? Are you aware of any?
I can't remember such case.
Can't remember such a case. Right. She also said, and this is Julieta Kariki Kidumbu, She further says that there were agents who assisted voters.
No agents assisted any voter.
Did you record any assisted voting cases?
Yes, I did.
How many? If you remember.
I can't recall.
Did you register the assisters? Or the people who are assisting?
Yes.
You did. Yes. To confirm that more agents assisted in voter.
Yes, I do confirm.
Was Julieta Karigi Kedumbu an agent in your station?
Yes.
For which party?
For DP party.
DP party.
Yes.
Do you remember asking you any questions about those allegations that she has made?
No.
Did she sign the Form 35A at the end of the exercise?
Yes.
Did she have any reservations noted in the Form 35A?
The Form 35A is well signed by all the agents present.
Did she make any reservations?
Yes, she took a photo.
She did what?
No.
She made some reservations.
No.
Maybe I'm not hearing the question clearly.
Did she note any reservations or any complaint that she had on the Form 35A?
No.
She did not. Did the chief agent for the DP party or for the candidate, for the petitioner, make any inquiry from you?
No.
Regarding the exercise?
No.
Any complaint from him?
No.
How about the petitioner himself? Did he register any complaint?
No.
Julieta also complains about Cabinet Secretary Ruku, that he came and was shouting Wamuthende within the station. Is that correct?
That's not correct.
Did you see Cabinet Secretary Ruku yourself?
No.
She's also accusing Cabinet Secretary Wahome, Alice Wahome, that she also came to the station. Did you see Alice Wahome in the station that day?
No.
So the allegations about the Cabinet Secretaries Ruku and Wahome are false by Julieta.
Yes.
Just any other examination?
Yes, my lord, and just 3 questions. Mr. Njeru, just confirm whether 2025 was your first election to be an IBC official?
No.
It was not the first one. Which one else had you played any role?
2022 general election.
Oh, in what capacity?
As a clerk.
As a clerk?
Yes.
Ah, good. You were clerk number what in the station?
Number 1.
Number 1. What was your role as clerk number 1 in 2022?
Operating the KIMS.
Or operating the KIMS?
Yes.
So people would come and place a finger?
Yeah.
And then what would you do after that?
Then if the voter is verified,
yes,
I allow the voter to proceed to the next clerk.
Oh, the next clerk. What was the next clerk doing? He would check in the voter register, right?
No.
What was the next clerk holding on his table or her table? Sorry?
Ballot papers.
There was no voter register?
No.
There was no voter register? They would check and shout the name of a voter?
Can't recall.
You can't recall? No. Which part of, do you vote in Mbeere North?
Yes.
Which ward?
Every ward.
And did you play any role in a by-election this year?
Yes.
Which role?
Presiding officer.
You are presiding officer. Which polling station?
Kavoi polling station.
Sorry?
Kavoi polling station.
Kavoi polling station.
Yes.
Which election is it?
This year, there were by-elections in 2 wards last month.
Oh, in the
Yes.
ward elections.
Yes, ward elections. You said which polling station?
Kavoi polling station.
Kavoi polling station. So now you are presiding officer.
Yes.
Thank you. How many clerks did you have in your session?
This year?
Yes.
2.
You had 2.
Yes.
What was the first clerk doing?
First clerk was verifying the voters using the camps.
And the next one?
Issuing the ballot papers.
Issuing?
The ballot papers.
So a person would proceed, vote, and then leave, right?
Yes.
So does it mean you did not have a clerk who would apply ink on a voter's finger?
That was the role of the DPO.
Or it's a DPO
Yes.
who was playing that role?
Yes.
Wasn't
A manual register where someone would check, would have a name checked after Teams verification?
No.
There was none.
There was none.
In 2025, in the by-election that led to this petition, you said you were given a voter's register, right?
Yes.
Did you use it to verify voters?
No.
You did not. Was it sealed?
Yes.
It remained sealed throughout.
Yes.
So you did not open it at all, right?
I didn't open.
Just confirm that what you say is a voter's register. Was it in a white manila paper or plastic paper?
It was on a clear paper.
It was on a clear paper.
Yes.
Would you know how many pages it had?
No.
Would you know how many voters were in that register?
Yes.
No. Did you look at the register to see how many people were in that register?
It is indicated on the cover of the register.
No. Did you check the document itself to see how many entries it had?
Yes.
You opened and checked?
No. I'm saying on the top of the register. It shows the total number of the register.
It is indicated on the nylon paper, say 100, right?
Yes.
But you had no opportunity to open it and check whether that list actually has 100 or more.
Yes.
And you'd like the court to know that you can't tell how far or how many people were in that list, as a matter of fact. Is that correct? You are not able to tell the court that this list had gone up to number 99, 150, or any other number, right?
I'm not able to tell.
Thank you. Yeah, Mr. Ndegojiro.
Did you apply that register at any given time during the polling?
Yes.
What did you do?
To scan the QR code.
Did you confirm whether the numbers of the persons registered therein in the voters register coincided or were equal to the numbers of the persons with the KIMS kit? Did you not?
Yes.
How did you know? And yet you never read or opened the register? How did you confirm that?
As I've said earlier, it was not.
So it could not have confirmed, correct? Because you never saw the content of the manual register, correct?
The total number was indicated.
I'm not asking the total number that was indicated. The actual audit, you never did it, correct? as indicated by my learned friend, Mr. Kirago. Correct or not correct?
Not correct.
So, did you have, how many assisted voters came to your polling station?
I can't recall.
Were they there?
They were there.
Did you use any other mechanisms other than just identification? Did you apply the KIMS validation process or the alphanumerical?
Yes.
How many forms did you generate?
Can't recall the exact, but around 7.
Did you record that in the PSD?
Yes.
And all the incidences that you have confirmed herein, you confirmed that you record them, correct? You recorded them, correct?
Which incidents?
The incidents of the assisted voters, the incidences of the validation.
Those are not recorded in the PSD. They are recorded in the Form 32.
Form 32.
Yes.
So many Form 32s did generate?
I can't recall.
Yes?
I can't recall.
Approximately how many were they from your polling station?
Around 15.
Around 15.
Yes.
And these 15 forms, who was assisting these voters?
A voter.
Who was assisting them? Yes.
A Kenyan citizens.
Yes, I know it's a Kenyan citizen. So, how many? Do you know the procedure of assisting a voter?
Yes.
Yes. Was that procedure complied with?
Yes.
So each voter was being assisted by one individual at a given time.
Yes.
And you confirm that?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Karaoke Njiri for the petition. I'll ask you 2 questions. First question. How is this particular station? Were there classrooms or tents?
There were no classrooms. There were tents.
Tents.
Yes.
How many polling stations?
There were 2 in the polling center.
Now, have you attached your PSD, the poll station diary? Have you attached it in your affidavit? I have not seen one. So can you confirm there is none?
Let me confirm. There is none.
Yes. There is. You looked at the complaint of the agent in the petitioner's petition in regard to your station. Is that true?
Yes.
You had a look at it, yeah?
Yes.
And one complaint was that CS Rocco, and CS Alice Wahome came and addressed voters while the voting process was ongoing. True or not true? That was the complaint?
That was the complaint, true.
Why did you attach your PSD to confirm whether you captured that or you did not?
Because it is not true.
So from where you stand, we cannot be able to tell whether that was captured or not.
In my PSD diary, I had no incidents, so I did not record. So I did not present as part of the affidavit.
No further.
Mr. Witness, just one question. You said in 2022 you were a polling clerk.
Yes.
And you are saying there was no physical register anywhere in those elections.
I said I don't recall.
No, you are a polling clerk. You are seated there. You did not see any register anywhere. Don't just look at the court. You did not see, you need to tell the truth.
Of course.
And I believe you are a teacher.
Yes, I'm a teacher.
You can remember clear events of what was going on.
There are so many things that have happened since 2022. And
including a physical register in a polling center or not, isn't it? The clerk sitting next to you after KIMS, was there a clerk crossing out names with a pen and a ruler seated next to you?
I concentrated on the role given by the PU. I can't remember.
Okay. In the ward elections,
yes,
the ones just were just concluded, you are the presiding officer. Now, this one, you know, we can actually, under Article 35 of the Constitution, call for the records and find out. So you better tell the court the truth. Was there a clerk crossing out the names with a ruler after identification by Kims? And you better tell the truth because we know what you're asking.
In the by-election?
Yes, in the just concluded ward elections.
No.
There was no clerk crossing out the names.
No.
There was a physical register, but there was no one crossing.
Yes.
So if we ask for the records for your polling station, that is what we are going to find. That is your evidence.
Yes.
Thank you.
Re-examination?
The physical register which you refer to on the morning of the by-election for the constituency, not in the wards, the constituency. Did you interact with that physical voters register on the morning of 27th November 2025?
Yes.
How did you interact with it?
When scanning the QR code.
When you are scanning the QR code, does the register remain domiciled inside an envelope or the cover in which it has come?
Yes.
So it remains sealed therein?
Yes.
When the KIMS itself has started, does the KIMS itself have a register of the voters, the KIMS itself?
Yes.
How are you able to tell that the register in the KIMS is the same register which is in the physical, the physical register which is sealed in the envelope you have talked about? How are you able to tell this is the same one?
After you scan the QR code, you are going to get the details of the location that match the details on the manual register.
You get details?
You get details of that particular polling station, the KIMS that match those in the manual register.
Sorry, just repeat that. You get what?
How are you able to know the KIMS, the register which has popped up in the KIMS after the KIMS has started is the same register which is contained in the physical register, is the same one, that they are the same? How are you able to tell?
After scanning, you are going to get the details of the location.
Yes.
Location?
Yes, of that polling station. That match, you compare whether they match with those on the physical register.
Where is the total number of the registered voters in that polling station indicated in the register? Where is it indicated? Is it inside the documents or is it indicated on the first page on top?
On the first page on top.
The assistant, the person assisting the voters who needed to be assisted, how many persons were assisted to vote by, the person assisting, how many people could he be able to assist the assisted voters?
Only the one.
How do you know it was only one?
The person assisting was marked on the thumb finger after assisting the voter. So you check if there's a mark.
When you say marked, you mean what? Inked?
Inked, yeah.
On the thumb?
Yes.
from your training as a presiding officer, what do you understand to be incidents which need to be documented in the polling station diary, PSD? The so-called incidents. Is every happening an incident?
Every happening is not an incident in the ground, but those incidents that affect the voting process.
Those are the ones which are recorded in the PSD?
Yes.
Did your station experience any such incidents which needed to be recorded in the PSD?
No.
That is all, my lord, for this witness.
So we can take our health break now.
Yes.
Then you can take your last two.
Yes,
two
my last two.
We resume 30 minutes, which would be what?
5 minutes past 11.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.